Hi everyone. With me I have some of the Worth Arizona Abrasive Discs. So this is a very high quality abrasive disc or a sanding disc which utilizes the hook and loop system, which is basically Velcro as known to most of us. So like I said, this is a very high quality sanding paper, available in grits from a P40 up into a P600. Okay, it's got a strong resin-over-resin bond, and it also contains aluminium oxide particles. These discs are predominantly sold to the woodworking industry, your joiners, cabinet makers, shop fitters, but also to the panel beating industry for flattening of surfaces and also the sanding of body fillers. Now, as you note, with these discs, they have multiple perforations. Okay. With some of your other brands, they specifically make their sanding discs with their perforations to fit only onto their machines. So Worth has done it slightly differently. We've added multiple perforations, so it doesn't matter what brand of machine or backing pad you are utilizing, there will always be at least one set of these perforations that line up. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, a very high quality sanding disc with a 150mm diameter, which means it could be utilized on the Worth electric eccentric sander, but also on the pneumatic eccentric sander. Up to 20% faster material removal, but also up to a 90% increased lifespan.